Hi everybody and welcome to another video. I am the Speaking Bear, and today's phrase it is let it slide. The definition says forgiving someone and not making a big deal out of something. Let's look at the first example. It says she was late, but I'll let it slide this time. So once more, let it slide is forgiving somebody. So in this case, she was late, but that person will let it slide. So they would forgive them, or they would not make a big deal out of her being late. The next example is at a school. So a student forgets their homework, and the teacher says, I'll let it slide this time, but bring it tomorrow. Again, the teacher is not making a big deal out of the student forgetting his homework or her homework. And our last example is at a cafe. It says, a friend arrives late to a meeting. You say, don't worry about it, I'll let it slide this time. So you and your friend had plans to meet at, let's say, 3 o'clock, and your friend came around 3:15. You would say, don't worry about it, I'll let it slide this time. Now letting it slide, just to keep in mind, it is almost like a way of warning someone, it's not in a positive way. Right? So letting it slide is acknowledging that they did something wrong, but you're trying not to make a big deal out of it. So when they're using the term let it slide, it's just a warning not to do it again, right? So usually a lot of instructors or teachers use this phrase because they don't want students to come to school without their homework. So just keep that in mind. And I hope you like this video, and we'll see you in the next one.